Okay, so about 2 months ago, I replaced the power window regulator on the driver's side, and now the one on the other side has stopped working. You can hear the motor, so the motor is definitely working. There is probably a broken wire somewhere here as well. My previous video wasn't particularly good, to be completely honest, so I'm going to try showing you again how to replace a power window regulator step by step. First of all, we need to remove the door panel. To get it off, there are two screws here, three screws along the bottom, and two screws on the other side. Once we pop this piece off, there should be a screw here, but apparently I don't have one. Then if we pull this off here, there's another screw underneath and one more screw here. And after that, we also need to carefully remove this piece. Once we've got that done, unplug this connector. Just pull it upwards. Just unclip it like this. We also need to remove this speaker because there's a screw here and another screw underneath it. Apart from those, there's another one here, one over there, and one down there. And there we go, we found the problem. The cable has snapped right here. To remove the connector from the motor, you need to move this part upwards and do the same on the other side, but be careful because it can break quite easily. This part here can snap very easily. So move it up like this, then move the other side up a little bit as well. You probably don't even need to use much force, it should come off by hand. Then once you got it loose, put a screwdriver in here and pull it outward. You will feel a little click and then it should slide right off. Just don't overdo it. Don't put too much force on it because you will break it. Now I'm going to have a bit of a problem because this bolt is holding the window in place, and there's another one on the other side as well. I can still get to this one, but unfortunately I can't reach the other one. And in order to remove the regulator, I need to lower the window, which means I have to loosen these bolts. So now I will try to lower the window somehow. I just I just loosen the bolts so you can see it now, and I just there it is, but I still can't reach it. So now I'm going to try removing this bolt, because then I will be able to move the window around a little bit. Always be careful when you're doing this, because the window can easily slip out, and if it falls, it could shatter. I'm going to secure it with some tape for now. It's really simple. You just stick it here and tape it across like this. That will hold the window in place while I replace the regulator. So the easiest way to remove the regulator is to take this part out first, and then remove the other part with the motor. And this was the problem here. The cable snapped just like on the previous one. The only difference is that this one didn't get all tangled up. Alright, now let's remove the motor. I'm going to take the motor off because I need it for the replacement regulator. I will clean this area up a little bit, and then we can install the new regulator. The motor is held in place by 25 torques. Now we can put the motor on the other side. I cleaned everything up a little bit here. So first I'm going to put the regulator in place. Then I will lower the window a little, bolt everything back together, and see if it works. So first we put this part in. Then we put the motor side in. And finally this side. Once all the bolts are in, there's one here, two here, and another one over there, and one over there. Before we put the window back into position, I will reconnect the plug. I just plugged it in by hand for now. I'm not going to push the top part back on yet. Then I clip this back in and turn the ignition on. Now we can move the window so you can see that the bolt is accessible here, and it's also accessible here. I'm going to remove this tape and carefully lower the window onto these mounting points. We will tighten it just a little bit. Lower it back down. And then lower it a bit further so we can tighten the other side as well. And now we can put everything back together. We'll reconnect the wiring, put the speaker back, and once the speaker is back, we can put the door panel back. First we will put the little light back in at the bottom. Then we'll put the little hook back in the back and carefully work the door panel back into place. I usually start with these screws. After that we can put the side screws back in.
Super!